Bokksu's founder, Danny Tang, was inspired to create the company after a visit to Japan, where he was struck by the diversity and quality of Japanese snacks. Bokksu's name comes from the Japanese word bokksu, which means box in English. Bokksu partners with small, family-run businesses and artisanal makers throughout Japan to source its snacks and candies, supporting local economies and preserving traditional production methods. Bokksu's snacks and candies are curated based on the changing seasons and holidays in Japan, showcasing the country's rich cultural traditions. Bokksu offers a Taste of Japan guide on its website, which provides information on the history and cultural significance of Japanese snacks and candies. Bokksu's snacks and candies are not only delicious, but also visually stunning, with many featuring intricate designs and patterns. Bokksu often includes limited edition snacks in its boxes, giving subscribers the opportunity to try unique and rare flavors. Bokksu offers a rewards program for subscribers, where they can earn points for making purchases and referring friends, which can be redeemed for discounts on future boxes. Bokksu has been featured in numerous publications and media outlets, including Forbes, The New York Times, and The Today Show. Bokksu is more than just a snack subscription service, it's a cultural experience that brings people together and celebrates the diversity and richness of Japanese cuisine.